How to enable or disable the assistant feature on a phone. This is an Android phone, and if I long press that center button, that which is almost a square, then I don't have anything. As you can see, nothing happens. Okay, so to enable that assistant, I swipe up and I have a Google folder here. And inside that folder, which I think I created, there's an icon with the letter G. And beneath it says Google. So tap on the letter G, open that Google app. Now go to the upper right corner to your name. In this case it's a letter A. Come here to settings, it has a gear icon. Tap on settings. Now here we have Google Assistant. It has 3 larger dots and a tiny one. So Google Assistant. Go down to General. General has a cogwheel. So tap on General. Use screen context. Tap on this. Device Assistance app. Currently it's none. So on Device Assistant app we can select another one. Let's say Google. This assistant will be able to read information about apps. Okay. So now Google is the assistant app. 3 vertical lines, swipe up. Now hold the center button, that square-like looking thing. And now it says Ask Gemini.
I'm ready. What's on your mind?
So if you long press, it is listening.
Correct. Just talk.
Swipe down and it's gone. Long press again. Either long press the button or tap on that mic. What's the time?
12:28 p.m.
Now press the microphone. What's the current date?
Tuesday, April 7th, 2026.
So that's the assistant on this Android phone.